Hello students, welcome again in our online study class. In the last video, we learned about the important parallels and meridians. In it, we learn equator. To the north side it is Tropic of Cancer and it's a Arctic Circle. And to the south, Tropic of Capricorn and it is Antarctic Circle, and it's a South Pole and it's a North Pole. And we also learn about their degrees. It is on 66 degree 30 minute. Northern hemisphere, it's a Arctic Circle. 23 degree 30 minute. Northern hemisphere, it's a Tropic of Cancer, and it's a equator 0 degree. It's a in southern hemisphere 23 degree 30 minute. Southern hemisphere, it's a Tropic of Capricorn and it's a Antarctic Circle on 66 degree 30 minute southern hemisphere, and it's a South Pole. And we also learn the area between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This area is known as area of perpendicular rays and area of slanting rays day up to 24 hours. It's a area between Arctic and Antarctic Circle. Sun rays are slanting. And now we will go ahead. Depending on the seasons, daytime, the sun being visible in the daytime means daytime means only when the sun is being visible in the sky can be greater than 24 hours in the areas between the polar circles and the poles. The maximum duration of the sun's appearance in the sky can be of 6 months at the poles based on the seasons. During this period, the sun continues to move in a spiral or the horizon. Here we learn these are the polar circles. This is South Pole and it's a North Pole. And here sometime the daytime can be maximum than 24 hours. Here, because of the spherical shape and because of the rotation of the earth and inclined axis of the earth, these polar circles, they experience sun daytime more than 24 hours. It is depend on the seasons. Here the sun continues to move in spiral or the horizon. We have seen in standard 5th that the earth axis is inclined. It's a earth, but when it rotates around the sun, it never rotates in the 90 degrees angle, right? It is little inclined. It's a like that. It is little. Suppose it's a pencil and it is little inclined towards the it is inclined means not straight. The important parallel arise because of the inclination by 23 degree 30 minute. Suppose it's a straight perpendicular, right? But the earth never rotates around the earth in this way. It is little inclined. Inclined means this type. It is little inclined from the earth's axis, and this is of 23 degree 30 minute. 23 degree 30 minute. Because of this inclined axis of the earth of 23 degree 30 minute, we experience the different seasons on the earth, and these polar circles, they experience sometimes more than 24 hours daytime. Due to the duration and intensity of sunlight, different temperature zones are formed on the earth. These zones give rise to pressure belts, and due to the duration of intensity, due to the duration of the daytime and nighttime or the sunlight, it gives the rise to the pressure belts. We will learn in the lesson temperature about these pressure belts, but these pressure belts also formed due to the duration and intensity of sunlight. Now, variations in the intensity of sunlight leads to regional diversity in plants and animal. life. Diversity means intensity of sunlight and leads the regional diversity. Diversity means differences, the trees, animal life, and we can say, or in these the variations can be seen only because of the intensity. Means if you are on polar region, so in the on the polar region, the snowfall is there, means the temperature of the polar region is very low, so because of that their animals, in this region the animals, they are different, their life is different. Then the plants also, the varieties can be seen in the plants on the polar region and on the equator.